Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This video is the first video of this series in which we will be converting this Android app to Kotlin Multiplatform. We will first make it compatible with iOS and then we will eventually support other platforms as well. So in this video we will start migrating our business logic to KMP. The network layer, I don't think there's a database involved in this app, but basically we will be migrating the data layer first, then the domain layer, and then the presentation layer. Currently we have Hild for DI in this app, and eventually we will move it to Coin. Jetpack Compose will be migrated to Compose Multiplatform, and vice versa. Everything will be migrated to Kotlin Multiplatform. So starting with this video, I will give you just an overview of this code base. You can find the code on my GitHub as well. This is a very simple app, movies app with a lazy vertical grid. If you click on any movie, it opens up the details page, and there is that shared element transition. You can then search movies. If you go back, the search is reset, and that's all about it. If you look at the code base, if we go to the app, then there is only main activity and the search app. The code base is modular, and there is the core module where every core part of the code base resides. Then there is the design system, and then here we have the search feature. So currently everything is built for Android, but we'll start converting it to Kotlin Multiplatform in the next video. So stay tuned and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.